Hi, it's Eddie at Alfaman working on a 2.2 Spider engine, petrol. These engines fit the Spider, the Brera, the 159, and they are very good engines. But there's a major problem with them, which is the injectors. And when the injectors foul up, they drag the chains to pieces. And if you don't change the engine oil and the filter regularly, you also have a major problem. And I'm not talking about the bullshit that manufacturers say 15, 20,000 miles, which is all bullshit. You need to change your engine oil every 6, 7, 8,000 miles if you want to keep the car for a long time. Spend your money on lubrication, don't spend it on repairs. So here's the front of the engine. There's the chains. We're going to be changing both kits. That's broken in there. The pieces have just basically disintegrated. So there's the front chain, nice and loose. There's the back chain. And we've got all the parts sitting here. Here, we've got a new front chest gasket, a new oil seal gasket. We'll be stripping this down. This is the oil pump. We've actually done the injectors on this car. And a lot of cars come in and we can hear the chains rattling. And before we do the chain, we have to do the injectors. So let me lower the car down. So here's the engine bay. I'll lower it down a bit more. So we can see into the engine bay. You can see how black all this is. The injectors are underneath here. It's not a difficult job to remove the injectors. Mind you, we've done it so many times here, it's not difficult for us. So, we will be washing all this down. A lot of free play at the bottom. So, we've done the injectors, they were clogged up. I think we replaced one of them. But all the clogged injectors and the carboned up valves restrict the chain. It's the weakest link in the engine. If the air can't get into the cylinders because of all the carbon in the way, then it can't work properly. When the valves want to push up and there's carbon actually on top of the valve stems, it can't work properly. So what happens is the chains wear out. When the chains wear out, all the tensioners wear out. So for every 10 cars that come in with a chain rattle, we do the injectors first, because you have to do the injectors first. And out of those 10 that we do the injectors first, maybe 6, maybe 7 of those cars don't need a chain because it now runs perfectly. On this car, we did the injectors, we did the service, but damage was too far gone. So the car's been recovered, pushed in, we've stripped it down, no major damage done to the engine, and when we get it running again, we'll finish off the video. In the meantime, Keep on putting decent fuel in your engines, in your cars. None of this cheap supermarket crap. If you put 50 quid's worth of supermarket crap in and 50 quid's worth of decent 4-star in, you're going to go much more, you're going to go further in your 50 quid for the decent stuff than you are with the cheap supermarket rubbish, the E10, which is just killing the engines. It's polluting. But anyway, I shall stop being a grumpy old man and say goodbye.